Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hello there. In this first chapter, we're gonna start with an introduction to robots, their structure, and the general categories they fall into. So what exactly is a robot? What are its main components? And how can we classify different types of robots? Of course, we'll keep this as an overview. So, a robot is basically a mechanical or electromechanical system designed to perform specific tasks automatically. In general, a robot consists of three essential parts: an input system, an output system, and a control unit. We also have intelligent and non-intelligent robots. For example, a simple parking gate opener is a type of robot. Its input is a remote control button you press. The controller sends the command to the actuator, its motor, and the motor opens the gate. But consider a more advanced robot, one that detects your presence as you walk in, recognizes your face, understands the situation, or makes decisions. That would be considered an intelligent robot. There are many definitions and classifications for robots, but the important point here is that every robot has three main parts: inputs, outputs, and the controller. Its inputs, such as sensors, switches, or command signals. These inputs can come from a sensor or simply from a button you press. For example, you might tell a robot to move forward, or it may detect the information through its sensors, which we will explain in detail later. Then we have the outputs, which are usually actuators such as motors, responsible for performing actions. These create the motion, apply force, or produce any physical action the robot needs. And finally, there is the control unit where decision making and planning take place, usually implemented on an electronic board running a specific algorithm that form the robot's controller.